Hey guys, it's Brody. I'm making this video to show you real quick my favorite F2L trick or algorithm or case of all time. So, as you can see, I have a last slot situation here, and that's actually pretty important for this case. I have the RU' insert, but I have no oriented edges, which means that if I just do my regular insert, then I get a .OLL, and .OLLs are really bad, so I like to avoid those as much as possible. That's where this case comes in, because using this really easy magic algorithm, I guess, you can solve this case and get all your edges. Watch this. From this angle, you have your insert, you have no edges oriented. If you do R', D', wide R, U, wide R', D, R2, U, R'. You insert the pair and orient all of your edges, just like magic. I use this case all the time. I use it for two-handed, I use it for one-handed, I use it whenever I can in order to orient some of my edges. Let me give you a few examples in F2L. So of course, you could do it straight out of this case, but there are a lot of other F2L cases that lead into this. So if you have one of those cases, you can start doing it, but instead of ending with this insert, do the alg. Let me show you. So here, you have an F2L case. This is a really easy one, everyone knows this. You just do that, but you can also go and then get all of your edges. You can also do it with something like this, where first you would bring that over and then insert it, except instead of doing that insert, you do the alg. It's also really easy to do with this case, which you'd normally solve like that, but with the alg, it looks like this. And this last example, this one isn't quite as practical, because it's easy to just do this by connecting it and canceling into sledgehammer. But if you wanted to, or if it was already at this angle, you could do R, U', R', U2, and then set up to the case and do the alg, which does orient all of your edges instead of just two, but of course, which you do depends on where it was already positioned in the U layer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you like it, I can definitely make more like it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and check out all my social media, which has links in the description. If you really want to help me out, you can also bookmark the SpeedCube Shop link in the description, because ordering from that link gives me commission and helps me make more awesome stuff like this. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Yeah! Fuck you too!